Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand how you can add an image with multiple hotspot, or you can say multiple, annotations on the same image, so that you can show users some important information about that particular image. So how to achieve this functionality, that is the agenda for this video. So stay tuned, watch the video, follow all the steps as it is, and I'm sure you will be able to do it without any paid plugin required. Now, in order to perform this functionality, first you need to come onto your WordPress website, and for this you will need two plugins. First is Elementor page builder, and second plugin is an add-on plugin for Elementor, which provides you multiple free widgets for absolutely free. So we'll go to plugin section, click on add new plugins, and of course we will simply search for Elementor. Once you search for Elementor, the first plugin is Elementor page builder that you need to install and activate. I have already done it. And the second one is Royal add-on for Elementor, or Royal Elementor add-ons. You need to install and activate both this plugin. I have already done it. They are asking for update, so I will just click on update now and update now, so that I will have the latest version in place. Once you are done with this first step, then what you need to do is you need to come onto your WordPress website, select the page where you want to add this particular section. Let's say I want to add on About Us page. Go to About Us page, then click on edit with Elementor, of course. And once you click on edit with Elementor, the Elementor editing window will pop up in front of your eyes. And from here, from the search bar, you need to search for image hotspot. And you can see there is a widget. It is marked in our blue color, which says that it is an add-on widget by Royal Elementor for add-on plugin. Now scroll down and choose the place where you want to add this particular section. So I'll choose this, and let me again search for this plugin, and as soon as I search for it, drag and drop like this. Of course, you can choose accordingly whether you want to put it in grid or flexbox or accordingly, but I just want to show you how this functionality works. Now you can see there are multiple hotspot, and there is a space to add an image. So for example, I want to add a image of a water cycle. So for example, I want to add a image of bike, for example, and I want to show the areas for a bike. So I'll just use a dummy image. So for example, I am using this image just to demonstrate you, and let me save this image. This image is very low in terms of resolution. Let me use the second one. Okay, so all images are the same, so let's use this same one, not a problem. So just save, download, come back to WordPress website. Now here you need to first upload the image. So either you can choose the image from media library or upload the file from your PC. So I'll just use the downloaded image, and here is the image. I'll just open it. And once it is uploaded, I'll select this image, and now you can see the image has been selected. Of course, it is some pixelating because of the size, but you can choose the proper image. Now you can see that the image hotspot are of different places, and I can show the users of different part of an image, and I can add some demonstration as well. There are some predefined styles as well. So if I click on predefined styles, you can see there are multiple options of showing other options. Like for example, you want to show your office location on multiple or maybe in multiple countries. Then what you can do, you can just use a world map, and you can show your location in terms of different countries like this, right? So this is also one of the option, one of the ideas. Same with the product, or you can also demonstrate the product. So let me just go back and stick with the image what I have. And now if I come back here, this is the image, and now of course image resolution is full. So by default, in the free version of this widget, you are allowed to add 2 hotspots. If you want to add more, then of course you need to go with the pro version, but as of now 2 hotspots are sufficient. Item 1, I can change the text of item 1. So for example, this is the item 1, so I just need to change. For example, we say this is the strong chases, right? Or you can say strong body. For example, I want to show strong body, right? So this is the hotspot for strong body. Then tooltip, yes or no, if you want to show like this, or if you don't want to show like this, or maybe if you don't want to show in this text, so just cut it and paste it like here, right? So it will be shown in terms of a pop-up. So it's like strong body. So this is the first thing. Of course, you can change the position as well. So if you go to position, you can move this horizontally and vertically as well. So you can choose where you want to show it. So I'll just want to show it on the center, so that I'll say strong body. Yes, that's okay. And then of course I go to the step 2, and this is a raised handlebar. So I'll say raised handlebar, for example. So I'll say raised handlebars, and yes, this is the second thing, and I'll keep it as it is. And of course I can give links, multiple links to multiple items. Then the tooltips, you can select the layout by default, on click pro, on hover. These are the pro version, position on top, maybe bottom, but of course for this you will require a pro version, but not a problem, we can just use it. Width, size, distance, animation, if you want to show animation duration, right? These are the options that you can play around. Once the changes are done, click on publish, and let me now see the preview of the section. And if I scroll down now, I can see that by default it is showing like this. So you can use this feature in order to show maybe your different locations, or to demonstrate the product, or maybe for other purposes, but this is very useful feature. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.